guys, any questions?
Yeah, I was kind of interested in Building 7, but I only saw one picture in the museum here, Building 7. It was
the original?
Yeah, the original building. I think it showed where the pyroclastic flow was moving around the building, but no explanation of why it came down or how it came down.
Yeah, well, there is an explanation. It was the way it was constructed. Of course, it wasn't constructed the same as the towers.
Sure.
But the way that part of the upper portion of the building was supported, I'm sorry I can't tell you the details, but it was supported in a certain fashion where the upper portion of the building rested on this. But internally in that building there were several diesel tank storages, because that was the EOC, or the Emergency Operations.
Yeah, Mayor Giuliani's Emergency Management.
But that was burning uncontrollably. You know, when the towers come down, many of the surrounding buildings were burning, and that one included. It was burning on more than 10 floors.
Okay.
They knew that it was going to collapse eventually, and ultimately it did at 5:20 in the afternoon, but they had evacuated everybody. So the 47-story building came down.
I read when the NIST report claimed that the fuel oil fires had no cause for the fire, that it was called a progressive collapse.
I guess that's possible if you read it. I mean, I read
there
it.
There were power stations underneath too. Yes, there was a power station.
Generators, but then the whole thing was that's where EOC was, but they evacuated.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not questioning how many people died. I'm questioning how it came down.
But I mean, that facility was supposed to be able to coordinate the effort between all these other departments.
Right.
But they themselves left.
Yes.
So they were all over the place, as far as I know. But it had something to do. I'm sorry I can't remember all the details. I'll have to go back and reread it. It's been a while, but it had something to do with the way the upper portion of the building was resting on a longer horizontal construction formation lower in the building.
Right.
And there was diesel tanks in there. I thought that actually contributed, but I honestly don't remember what the report said. But they knew it was going to collapse.
Right. Wow. Interesting, because 6.5 seconds, 47 stories.
Now it's 52 stories. That was actually the first building we built. I think about 2007 maybe. But
it preceded the columns, the towers in the construction. You mean?
Oh yeah, and reconstruction.
Oh, reconstruction. No, I'm not talking about the reconstruction. I'm talking about the original.
The original.
The Solomon Brothers buildings. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
I think it was 87 or something like that.
Fitzgerald buildings, or you said Solomon buildings?
The